Hey, quick question. How many AI coding tutorials have you watched? And how many real projects have you actually shipped? Yeah, that gap is exactly what this course closes. I'm Luca Berton, and this is the Claude Code Masterclass. Stay with me and we'll show you why this one is different. This isn't a theory course. Every single module ends with you shipping something that actually runs. There's a live demo in each one. You watch me do it on screen, then you do it yourself. With every demo file included, so you are never guessing. And the whole thing is built around one loop: plan, implement, test, review, commit. That you will carry into every project for the rest of your career. 13 short, self-contained modules. Jump in anywhere. It's yours for life. So here's my ask, and I mean it. Don't bookmark this and tell yourself later. Later never ships anything. Hit enroll, open module 1, and I promise you, you will have your first real project shipped in the next 15 minutes. The people who wins with AI aren't the one who watch the most. They are the one who build. Let's build. I will see you inside.